sketchy van again. The dude with the beard that always drives out here.
Thinking about grand things. Smelling flowers in their yard. I love the way that people look out. Drink the finest tea.
A little less alone in the big world.
Do what's right for your soul.
Oh, good golly.
I love it.
Truck bed camper, you know, that would fit on your truck bed.
Well, that's why it's cool for anybody that wants to, like, anybody that has been following us, continue to follow us through all of this. You're going to get to see our progress as a family.
What's up here?
A gate.
Ah.
Hey,
Hey!
we're out at it again. Doing it in the woods, in the wilderness. Showing off the goods. That's what we do at Abundant Wild. It's springtime officially. Excited about that.
A little... Sorry, go ahead.
No?
No, go ahead. Okay.
I was just going to say it's waterfall season.
Waterfall season. It is waterfall season.
Mm-hmm.
And yet, we're not at the waterfall.
No, but we are by water, which is nice.
This is the day use area at Oregon Creek. The video we did before at the waterfalls is like up the road. You have to park on the highway to get there. Oh, is that the dog with 3 eyes that you were talking about?
Yeah.
It's wild. Maybe you could be my favorite color, orange.
We don't want to fall down the crack. We don't want to fall down the crack.
You don't want to fall down the crack.